So today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Doc or Word file into a PDF file. The reason that I'm showing you how to change it into a PDF file is the PDF file makes the paper into an image, like a picture. Oftentimes when you upload this, oftentimes the diagrams, tables, text can become distorted. So we want to convert it into a PDF file. So right now I'm on a Google Doc, and on Google Doc you're going to go to File, and you're going to press Download, and you're going to go to PDF document. And if you wait a few seconds, it should upload on the bottom right here, and then it made it a PDF file. You're going to click on it, and then now it just comes as a picture. So here you're just going to press download, and then you're going to save it into either on your desktop or onto a folder, or you can save it onto your Google Drive as well. Okay, and that's how you're going to upload your project. Now, what about if you have a Word document? So let's say you have a Word document like this. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to go to File, Export, and then you're going to create PDF, and then it'll convert it as a PDF file. And then press, download it on there, and then let's say you publish it. So if you do that, it takes a little bit longer because I'm saving it onto my desktop. So there you go. So this one has been published as a PDF file. And there you go.